So Anthropic just dropped Claude Opus 4.7, and if you write code or analyze data, this is a massive upgrade. I'm going to share everything that you need to know about this AI model in this video. This will not be a practical video. This is more like an informative video. So first of all, this AI model Opus 4.7 is built for the hardest software engineering task. It can handle complex long-running workflows with insane consistency, and it even catches its own logical faults as well, and also it verifies outputs before reporting back to you. That means whenever you give it a coding task, this is going to execute everything in real time, and before it present the results to you, it is going to basically execute everything before presenting the results. So this AI model has got 1 million context window, which is best for larger code bases. And by the way, it costs around $5 per million input tokens and $25 per million output tokens, which is by the way the exact same pricing that we had for Claude Opus 4.6. The benchmarks by the way are wild. You can see in agentic coding, which is our like main, it got 64.3% score, which is like 9% more than Opus 4.6. And of course it is lower than Mythos, which is like a mysterious AI model from Anthropic. But you can see in all of these different benchmarks, it competes Opus 4.6, in GPT 5.4 as well, and Gemini 3.1 Pro as well. So if you want to test it right now with your actual project, you can do that totally. Right now I'm testing it with KiloCode. So right now you can see inside KiloCode, I'm using it through Open Router. So I'm using Claude Opus 4.7 directly in here inside KiloCode. You can use it through Klein or RuCode as well, but just make sure it is going to cost you around $25 per million output tokens. So let's just give it a quick task to quickly test its capabilities. Right now you can see I'm using KiloCode, and I'm just going to give it that exact same task that we give to almost every other AI model to test its capabilities, which is creating a 3D Rubik's Cube simulation, because a lot of AI models, even with 1 million context window, cannot complete this task in first attempt, but I'm sure Claude Opus 4.7 can actually complete. Task is to create an HTML.js project using 3.js library, and it will create an interactive Rubik's Cube simulation. So this is a detailed prompt, and I'm just going to click on send, and let's just see if it can create this 3D Rubik's Cube simulation right now without any issues. Okay, so it is taking some time, and it's been more than a minute now, and still it is showing that making edits. So for sure this is issue from Open Router. I can see I got some credits on Open Router, so there shouldn't be any problem. There you go, you can see it has just created this project. And now let me just quickly open it. So this is rubik.html. Let me just open this file and let me just quickly run it. So this is it. Perfect, it is working fine. Perfect, amazing. Let me just click on scramble. Perfect, it is working perfectly fine. Amazing. I know this was not very complex task, but a lot of AI models actually get it wrong in first attempt. But this AI model for sure can solve it, like can build this fully functional Rubik's Cube simulator in first attempt. That is amazing. You can see the scramble is working, the build is working. Perfect, amazing, that's amazing. All right, so it did this task quite well, and it costed us around $0.46, which is fine. But overall, as expected, it did good job. And I will actually make a lot more videos about different other projects that we can build using this like amazing new AI model. So yeah, this is just a massive update from Anthropic right now, because this AI model is one step closer to Mythos, which is like that mysterious AI model from Anthropic. So I know this is a quick short video, but let me know in comment section if you enjoyed this video. If you have any further questions, just leave your comments in the comment section, and I'll see you next video. Bye bye.